If you need to check plagiarism on Grammarly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, easy-to-follow way. Whether you're a student, writer, blogger, or content creator, using Grammarly's plagiarism checker can help you make sure your work is original before you publish or submit it. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Grammarly account by going to app.grammarly.com in your browser, or you can open the Grammarly desktop app if you already have it installed. Once you're signed in, open the document you want to check. If your file isn't already in Grammarly, you can also click Upload to import your document and get started that way. After your document is open, take a moment to make sure the text you want to review is fully loaded inside the editor. This is important because Grammarly needs to analyze the content before it can scan for plagiarism. If you're working with a long document, give it a second to finish processing so everything is ready. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the editor. This is where Grammarly places its action buttons, including options like score, enhancements, and plagiarism. You want to click the plagiarism button to begin the scan. Grammarly will then compare your document against a wide range of online sources to detect matched or similar text. Once the plagiarism check starts, Grammarly may take a moment to analyze your writing. Depending on the length of your document and your internet connection, this can take a little time, so be patient while the tool works. When it finishes, Grammarly will show you any sections that may need attention, along with the sources it found matches from. From there, review each highlighted result carefully. If the text is properly quoted, cited, or commonly used language, you may not need to change it. But if Grammarly flags a section that is too similar to another source, you can rewrite it in your own words, add proper citations, or adjust the wording to make it more original. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Grammarly before you submit an assignment or publish content online. It gives you a chance to catch issues early, protect your credibility, and make sure your writing is clean and original. It's also a great habit for anyone who creates content regularly, because plagiarism checks can help you avoid accidental duplication. If you want the best results, it helps to run the plagiarism check after you finish editing your document. That way, you're checking the final version instead of an early draft. You should also double-check quotes, references, and paraphrase sections to make sure they are handled correctly. A few minutes of review can save you from bigger problems later, and that's really all there is to it. To check plagiarism on Grammarly, log in, open or upload your document, go to the bottom right corner of the editor, and click the plagiarism button. Grammarly will scan your content and show you what needs attention so you can make your writing more original and polished. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.